Plant FAQs, Ruellia caroliniensis, Carolina wild petunia. Hi, Ferbu here. Today, we're diving into the world of Ruellia caroliniensis, a charming wildflower native to the southeastern United States. Often called the Carolina wild petunia, this little bloomer packs a punch of color and attracts all sorts of pollinators. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting your green thumb journey, Ruellia caroliniensis might be the perfect addition to your landscape. Let's answer some of the most common questions about this beauty. What is Ruellia caroliniensis? Ruellia caroliniensis is a perennial wildflower known for its vibrant blue or violet trumpet-shaped flowers. It thrives in the warm southeastern U.S., adding a pop of color to woodlands, meadows, and even roadsides. This low-maintenance plant typically reaches heights between 6 to 12 inches and boasts light green foliage. How does Ruellia caroliniensis compare to Euphorbia corrallata? While both Ruellia caroliniensis and Euphorbia corrallata, flowering spurge, are fantastic choices for your garden, there are some key differences. Flowers. Ruellia caroliniensis boasts trumpet-shaped blooms in shades of blue or violet. Euphorbia corrallata, on the other hand, has unique clusters of small white flowers surrounded by colorful bracts, modified leaves, that resemble petals. Height. Ruellia caroliniensis is a compact plant, usually staying under a foot tall. Euphorbia corrallata can reach heights of 1 to 3 feet. Sun preference. Ruellia caroliniensis thrives in part shade to full shade. Euphorbia corrallata prefers full sun. Deer resistance. Ruellia caroliniensis is somewhat deer-resistant, while Euphorbia corrallata is generally considered deer-proof due to its milky sap, which deer find distasteful. How to plant and care for Ruellia caroliniensis. Adding Ruellia caroliniensis to your garden is easy. Here's what you need to know. Planting time. Sow seeds directly outdoors in early spring or fall after danger of frost has passed. Alternatively, you can start seeds indoors a few weeks before the last frost. Light. Aim for part shade to full shade. Soil. Ruellia caroliniensis isn't picky about soil type and thrives in well-drained sandy, loamy, or clay soils. Watering. Water regularly, especially during hot and dry periods, until established. Once established, it's fairly drought-tolerant. Fertilizing. Light feeding with a balanced fertilizer once a month during the growing season can encourage blooming. Pruning. Shearing off spent flowers can promote additional blooms throughout the season. Benefits of growing Ruellia caroliniensis. Here are some reasons to consider adding Ruellia caroliniensis to your garden. Long blooming season. This little wildflower blooms from early summer all the way through fall, providing consistent color for months. Low maintenance. Once established, Ruellia caroliniensis requires minimal care. Attracts pollinators. Butterflies, bees, and hummingbirds love the nectar-rich flowers of Ruellia caroliniensis, making it a great choice for a pollinator-friendly garden. Deer-resistant. While not completely deer-proof, deer tend to avoid Ruellia caroliniensis due to its slightly bitter foliage. Conclusion. Ruellia caroliniensis is a charming and low-maintenance wildflower that adds beauty and ecological benefits to your garden. With its vibrant blooms and long blooming season, it's a wonderful choice for gardeners of all levels. So, why not give Ruellia caroliniensis a try and see how it brightens your outdoor space?